Welcome to our step-by-step guide on building your own 48 volts to 8-hour solar battery backup for your home. If you're looking to save on electricity bills and ensure you have power during outages, this is the right project for you. First, let's understand what you're building. A 48 volts to 8-hour solar battery system stores solar energy to power your home when the sun isn't shining. This setup requires lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries, a solar charge controller, an inverter, and proper wiring. You'll need the following materials to get started. Batteries for a 48 volt system. We need 16 cells, each 3.2 volts for lithium-ion or 2 volts for lead acid. Battery management system BMS to protect your battery cells from overcharging, discharging, and balancing the cells. Solar charge controller to regulate power from your solar panels. Inverter to convert DC power from your batteries to AC power for your home. Now, let's assemble the battery pack. We'll connect the battery cells in series to create a 48 volt system. Here is how to do it. 1. Start by connecting the positive terminal of the first battery to the negative terminal of the second battery. 2. Continue this pattern until all 16 cells are connected in series. 3. Use copper busbars or thick gauge wire for solid connections. 4. Attach the battery management system BMS to monitor and protect each cell. Next, let's wire up the charge controller, inverter, and battery pack. 1. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery bank to the charge controller. 2. Then, wire the charge controller to your solar panels. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Lastly, connect the charge controller to the inverter. The inverter will convert the DC voltage to AC power for your home appliances. Before you test your system, ensure everything is connected securely. Double-check polarity, ensure there are no short circuits, and verify that the BMS is functioning properly. Once everything is connected, turn on the system and monitor the voltage on your display. After your solar battery backup is set up, you will want to monitor the performance regularly. Most solar charge controllers and inverters come with apps or screens to show battery status and energy production. Regularly check the battery health and maintain proper ventilation for cooling. Now you've successfully built your own 48 volts to 8-hour solar battery backup. With this system, you'll be able to store excess solar energy and keep your home powered during blackouts. Don't forget to follow safety protocols and seek professional help if needed.